Hey guys, so I just woke up and I just unboxed a new package that I am looking forward to testing and trying, and I just wanted to come to you guys and show it. So if all turns out well and I like it, then this will be a new product that is added to the website. But until then, we still do not have closures and frontals available. I really love the construction of this closure. It is made with Swiss lace. It's flexible. It's a light brown lace, so if you are my skin complexion, you will have to tint the lace. But one thing that I really love about it so far is that I have not had any shedding. I do have to wash it, and once I wash it, I will see what, what the results are, but there's no shedding at all. Even if I pull it, there's no shedding. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but this closure is actually single knotted in the front, and then it's like the first inch of the hairline is single knotted, and then it is double knotted behind. So I really like that. This is a standard 4x4 lace closure. I'm just really excited to try this out and see if it meets my standard of quality. Production time is still a little longer than I would like, but this new supplier says he can do less than, a 2-week waiting period, and that's what I've been used to dealing with for my past few vendors. This took about a week to get to me. Time could vary because, again, they are handmade, and it is all about whether or not they're in stock already or if they have to be made upon request, and that just varies, again, on how much is already in stock. So wait time is still a little long, but this construction seems to be what I really like. And I mean, it's been really hard for me to find like the best closures and frontals, good wait time, good customer service with vendors, just, lack of issues with vendors, just things that I really need in terms of supplying you guys with great quality. So this is the backside of the closure. And it is 4x4. And this is 20 inches. And yeah, so far I like it. I think one thing that I do notice is that I see some short hairs in it, like flyaways, I feel like. I'll know once it's installed and once it's been used. But when I look at it, it seems like I see some flyaways, more than I would like. And to be fair, it actually doesn't look that bad. Like, this is still kind of dense, so you would definitely have to pluck, but I think the hairline, let's see, it's a little dense. But I think the hairline is well done, in my opinion. For someone that's not too good at plucking, I don't think you would need to really go in and do too much. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I'm gonna go wash it and then I'll come back to you guys with an update on how it behaved while washing. And yeah, we're just gonna test this out and see how it turns out. If you guys don't ever get another update in regards to this closure, just know it was trash and I'm starting back all over on testing. If you guys do get an update, then look forward to seeing it on the website. All right, so I just washed it and it actually behaved really well. There was like no shedding. If there was, maybe like a strand, but I honestly didn't see any shedding when I was washing it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna allow it to air dry and get to testing it.